In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify billing info on the App Store swiftly and securely. Whether you're making sure everything is up to date for a seamless app shopping experience, or simply verifying your details, this walkthrough will help ensure you're set up correctly in just a few simple steps. So let's dive right in. First, let's begin by opening the App Store app on your mobile device. This app is the central hub for all your app-related activities, so you'll want to have it open to access your account information. Once you've opened the App Store, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. That's where you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and tap on it. This icon serves as the gateway to your personal account settings, allowing you to manage and review your entire App Store experience. After tapping the profile icon, the next step is to select either your name or Apple ID from the list that appears. This section is crucial as it holds all of your specific account details, including of course your billing information. Give it a nice firm tap and we'll proceed further into your account settings. Next, you'll find an option titled Manage Payments. This is a critical stop along our path because it provides access to your billing details. Tap on this option. Within the Manage Payments section, you have the ability to closely examine your current billing info. This is where you can ensure all the details are accurate and up to date, such as your credit card number, billing address, and any other pertinent information related to your payment methods. If everything looks good and there's no update needed, you might still encounter some verification prompts. These prompts are there for your security, ensuring that the payment methods and details you're using are legitimate and that you're actually authorized to use them. So if you see any of these prompts, take a moment to follow the on-screen instructions. These usually involve confirming certain details or completing any necessary security checks related to your stored payment methods. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully verified your billing information on the App Store. Keeping these details current is crucial for a smooth app purchasing process and minimizing any potential issues with your transactions. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to keep all your details regularly updated for a hassle-free experience.